Hello, fan collector. This is Jimmy again. I have a video of my Kmart or Alaska. I believe this one's a 42-inch, but anyway, I got this from a friend named Greg. He's from the Methodist Church. Good friend of mine. Got me this Alaska, and I'm gonna turn this baby on. But I'll tell you something about this fan. So start off. This is first go on as low speed. I know, kitty. Sorry, I'm talking to a cat. There's a black cat in here. But alrighty, let's try on medium. Yeah, I know, I finally put a pull chain there. It's not really original, but I don't know. There's medium. Now, one thing about this fan, it makes a squeak. I don't know if it'll make a squeak today, but okay. Wait. Sorry, I had to turn off the see, but here's the medium fan. Huh. That's odd. Okay, it's making a squeak. You can hear that squeak going on. And start on high. Yeah, you hear that squeak noise? You probably can't hear it because there's a bunch of semis and all that driving around my place. Hear that noise? That's why I think I need to oil it. But because I want to fix that. Here's my SMC. I'm gonna turn it off. See if you guys. Okay. Oh yeah, you guys can definitely see it. There's my SMC. Alaska. Dayton, Alaska. And some random builder fan. Well, I'm gonna turn this baby off. Well, there's my Alaska. I hope you enjoyed the video. And well, where it's standing next to is my Dayton, Alaska and my Newton Industrial. Yeah, I know, there's a piece of crap right there, hugger, which I put cane blades on there. I don't know why I put it. It's just for fun. But anyway, here's the stencil. I'm going to show you. I didn't do very good on the stencil. I should have not carved it, you know, but it's still in good shape. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Hasta la vista.